Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Focus front light. It is a straightforward process you can do yourself with just a few basic tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a T30 Torx bit, and of course, your new headlight bulb. Always remember to park your car on a level surface and turn off the ignition before starting any work for your safety. Now, let us get started by accessing the headlight assembly. First, open your hood and locate the two screws at the top of the headlight unit. These typically require a T30 Torx bit or a large flathead screwdriver. Once those are out, gently wiggle the entire headlight assembly forward to release it from its mounting clips. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small tab and pulling it straight off. With the headlight assembly free, you can now access the bulb. Remove the protective rubber weather cover from the back. For the low beam, twist the old bulb counterclockwise and pull it straight out. When installing the new bulb, align its tabs and turn it clockwise until it locks securely. Remember, never touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can cause hot spots and shorten its lifespan. Almost done? Reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, making sure it clicks firmly into place. Then, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its mounting location, ensuring the lower clips engage. Reinstall the two screws at the top to secure everything. Finally, turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm the new bulb is working properly before closing the hood. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.